Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and oh my gosh, y'all, go ahead and put on your running shoes, grab your car keys, your purse, and your phone, and head on out that door because we have some run glitches at Family Dollar. But first, before you do that, go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed, turn on those notifications, and then do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, just a quick reminder that I have already uploaded $3 general videos for you all this week. So if you missed any of those, make sure that you go and check them out, especially the one that I uploaded this morning where I go over all of the good deals and glitches that we have going on at Dollar General right now this week. And we do have some new glitches that I cover in that video. So if you missed out on any of those, make sure that you go and check them out, and I will have them all linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so I am back in the car, and man, do we have a run deal at Family Dollar. Actually, we have a few really awesome deals that you need to get in on this week. So, we're going to go ahead and jump right in, alright? So, first up, we're going to talk about the Swiffer deal. Now, if you all haven't heard, we have free Swiffer products at Family Dollar right now. They could fix this glitch at any time. This is a glitch deal. Now I'm going to link our good couponing friend, Couponing with Gordy, her YouTube channel. She has been doing different Swiffer deals with different products. I believe she picked up the liquid as well as the big Swiffer mops, like the big starter kits that are like $25. I think she ended up paying about 20 bucks for 2 of those. So there's different ways that y'all can do this deal. I just went for the lowest out of pocket that I could get, but I will link her YouTube channel in the pinned comment down below. Now, the majority of her videos are in Spanish, so if you do not speak or understand Spanish, I understand it a little bit, but not enough to get all the details. But if you guys hang in there, she will show you the products that she picked up and the receipt, so y'all can figure out the deals, and that'll give you guys some options out there. But if you want to do the exact same deal that I did, we're going to run through it real quick, and I'm going to show you all my receipt. Now, we have 2 super awesome freebies right now at Family Dollar. Now, just take a quick look at my receipt, and my subtotal was actually 000. So you guys are just going to pay tax, all right? Now, that can vary, I guess, if your prices are different than mine at your store. But anyways, just open up your Family Dollar app, and you are going to want to make sure you have 3 coupons clipped to your account. We have a 10 off coupon for the Swiffer products, and we have a buy one get one free coupon on the Swiffer products, and then we also have a buy one get one free coupon for the Febreze products. I believe it's actually $3.30 off of 2. So just open up your Family Dollar app, create an account if you haven't already. Make sure that you have those 3 coupons clipped to your account. Now, we're just going to cover these 2 deals right now, but I am going to share with you all some other deals that I did toward the end of the video, so make sure that y'all stick around. So you're going to go into Family Dollar, you're going to look for your Swiffer section. Like I said, there are other options that you guys can pick up with this deal. However, again, I just went with the lowest out-of-pocket that I could get. So I picked up the Swiffer Wet Jet Heavy Duty 12 Count Mopping Cloths. And then I also picked up the Swiffer Wet Mopping Cloth Refills 12 Count, all right? Taking a look at my receipt, it looks like the heavy duty, those are priced at $10. And then these up here are priced at $6, all right? Now, also, you are going to go over to your Febreze section. And I think you can pick up the sprays or the wax melts, all right? I went ahead and picked up the sprays. That does seem like a safe bet. These are on sale right now. Buy one, get one free. So this is not necessarily a glitch. It's probably a mistake on somebody's part at Family Dollar, but they are on sale. Buy one, get one free. I did pick up the... what is this? The Gain Island Fresh and the Honey Berry Hula scents, and both of those worked perfectly. So these are priced at $3.25 each. They are on sale. buy one, get one free. Plus, we have that $3.30 off 2 digital coupon. So if you go in and you pick up all 4 of these products right here, we're going to take a quick look at my receipt. And as you all can see, my subtotal is $0.00. I just paid tax out of pocket, which was $1.23 for all 4 products. So you definitely cannot beat that. Now, I'm going to do a little rearranging and we're going to talk about a few more deals because, hey, while you're there, you might as well get some other good deals that they have going on this week at Family Dollar as well. Alright guys, so I am back. Now here's another little transaction that I did. We have the General Mills cereals. We also have the Post cereals. You guys can choose which one you want to pick up. Kellogg's might also be included, but I know for sure General Mills and Post cereals. These are priced at $3.25, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so that leaves you paying $3.50 for 2 boxes. So not a bad deal there. Then we also have the Kellogg's Pop-Tarts. Now these are priced at $2.45 each. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, if I'm remembering correctly. You guys can see the little breakdown on your screen there, but it works out to be $1.90 for 2 boxes. So that is a fantastic deal on the Pop-Tarts. Now, next up, we have the U by Kotex products. So these are the 20 count ultra thin pads. These are priced at $3.35. What you want to do is pick up a total of 2 of them, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Now, we also have a lower value 3 off 2 digital coupon, so make sure that you only clip that higher value 4 off 2 digital, all right? So that is going to leave you paying $2.70 out of pocket, but the deal gets even better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have $1.50 back. So that's going to make your final price $1.20 for both. Now, if you can find the Kotex liners, I'm going to pop up a picture on your screen here. Check out your clearance sections as well as the regular section. Those are priced at $2.50. They did not have them at my store, but hopefully you guys will have better luck than I did. If you can find those, pick 2 of them up at $2.50 and use that 4 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying just $1 out of pocket. Plus, you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get $1.50 back. That's going to make it completely free, plus a 50-cent money maker. So we have a lot of really awesome deals this week at Family Dollar. I will have another Family Dollar video coming up for you all here shortly. I've got some more coupon matchups, some more deals, and we're definitely going to have some 5 off $25 scenarios. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and good luck to all of you. If you score, please come back and let me know how it went down in the comment section below. And of course, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And please do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways. And we all love free stuff around here, right? So that is a free way that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.